Hello, my name is Pavel Snella. We are located in a farm in Baskov. It is a family farm. We are engaged in milk production. We milk about 300 milking cows on 6 robots. We work on about 200 hectares. We are located just around 2 facilities. These are tent halls. These are tents where we have free stalls, and somewhere here we have, just in these stalls, groups of animals that are and for calving, and these are also in calf heifers. Ventilation or side curtains with open roofs have also been installed here. Somewhere this air circulation is completely different. These tents are located next to each other, so somewhere the idea arose to mount a robot to push TMR. The idea is because somewhere we were jacking it up with tires by the 2 tents. Somewhere we wanted to automate it, and that one thing that was on the mind somewhere, so that you have to remember to do it, to relieve the burden on ourselves. That's why it was installed. As you can see behind me is Lizard, which is the robot we use to push TMR. Several factors contributed to the choice of this robot, because we don't have level 0 here, meaning we have ramps here. This factor also had to be fulfilled. Somewhere here in this system that Lizard has, that is lifting this auger up, it can go up these driveways and there is no complication here. This was also one such factor for choosing this robot. Interestingly enough, he overcomes them very well. There are no problems since installation, nothing has happened to him yet. Also, I bode well, I hope so, of course. Somewhere we were still curious about the pushing system of this robot, because we simply have 2 systems on the economy. This pushing system is a little different. This adder, this TMR pushes differently. It looks different on this feed table. So we were curious about how it would look, and I think it looks good. After installing this robot, I can tell at first glance that it very much encourages the animals to pick up the TMR, because somewhere during the drive, where these heifers are lying down resting, you can see that they get up and come up to this TMR. Also somewhere that intake of that TMR there has increased for us, and somewhere I think they are also calmer, because somewhere that TMR is always at hand. They have access to the intake of this feed. The one might say most important thing that has been noticed is the time, of which there is a little more, because somewhere the one duty that was somewhere in the back of the mind to do this activity has just been replaced by EUROMILK. Overall, I think the investment is very good. Somewhere we have that one less thing on our minds. The installation was done the way we wanted. It works very well. I think if it works the way it still works today, it will be very good.